A very good morning, all my viewers and my students. Both are online and offline students. Very good morning. Welcome to Dear Teacher Revisions. Learn maths with Ravi sir happily. So, I have been doing revision since many days. Since 10 days, I am doing revision. Now I completed till coordinate geometry. Now today I am going to start trigonometry. Trigonometry is also one of the important chapter, a very important chapter. Don't think that Ravi sir is saying all the chapters are important. Okay, so teachers usually will have the thing like that, but my aim is only to get 100 out of 100. I want all my students to get 100 out of 100. For that, you need to focus each and every chapter of the maths. Okay, so again I'll just give you a tip, learning tip. Now this is November middle 10th. Now you have December, January, 2 months in your hand. Don't get panic. Okay, slow and steady wins the nation. Hello, study with fun. Are you a student or a tuition center? So I would like to give you some tips for revision. Okay, so many students, what they will do the hard questions. Okay, they will leave the easy questions. So hard questions take more time to learn and to revise. Okay, yeah, that's fine. So hard questions will take more time, so that you will be spending lot of time in hard questions. Okay, so then what to do? You divide the entire chapter into easy concepts and difficult concepts. The entire maths, all the 13-14 chapters, difficult chapters and easy chapters. So easy chapters फटाफट up कर दो, revise कर दो, right? So then within a small time, a span of small time, you will be completing all your easy chapters, and then start taking the hard chapters. In the hard chapters also, there are some easy questions and there are some difficult questions. In that also, easy questions you do it, right? Easy questions you do it, so that what happens, you will be completing major portion of maths in the revision. So many students, they will apply the same method. First ये मुझे नहीं आता है, चाला कष्टम इधे, पहले ये करेंगे. That is not the correct. Say first तुमको जो आता है easily first फटाफट complete कर दो. देन आपको जो भी टाइम बचता है उसमें प्लान करके ये डिफ़िकल्ट टॉपिक्स रिविज़न आपका रिविज़न प्लान में डालना है. सो रिविज़न प्लान आई टोल्ड यू वन टाइम इन माय मॉर्निंग लाइव वीडियोस ओनली, हाउ टू मेक रिविज़न प्लान. रिविज़न प्लान डेफिनेटली game over. Revision plan definitely. What study with fun, game is over. So specifically date wise, time wise, chapter wise, you have to allot the time for every chapter. Okay, so that is a specific revision plan. अंदाज से approximately कल ये कर लेंगे, परसों ये कर लेंगे, आज ये कर लेंगे, 10 दिन के बाद ये कर लेंगे, ये होने के बाद वो करेंगे, वो होने के बाद ये करेंगे. दिस इज़ नॉट a revision plan. This will make you mess. Okay, टाइम टेबल आपका स्कूल का टाइम टेबल में कैसा रहता है 1 2 3 4 5 7 till 8 periods. One period is so and so subject, so and so teachers, like that. So that is why all the teachers will be coming to your classes as per the timetable, as per the timings, etc., etc., and you are also will be ready. After that, teachers are going to write their plans, year plans, monthly plans, weekly plans, daily plans, as per their system. So then it will be easy for them what to teach, what not to teach, what to focus, and all those things. At the same time, students also will come to know, because that is a pakka plan. School will use a pakka perfect plan in taking up the teaching and also learning process. So same way you should have a proper revision plan. I am not going to take a lot of time. Let us start revising trigonometry, fast revision of trigonometry. Right? Today I am going to do some problems from R.D. Sharma. Okay. Today I am going to complete a small part of trigonometry. Trigonometry will take up maybe 3-4 days time. Right? I am going to explain elaboratedly. Right? And please don't forget to share my channel, like my channel, and subscribe my channel. Right? Let me start trigonometry. So trigonometry we completely based on a right angle triangle. Say this is right angle triangle ABC. ABC is the right angle triangle and 90 degrees. The triangle which is having 90 degrees is right angle triangle. So now other two are acute angles. Angle A and angle C are acute angles. Now in this class we are going to deal the acute angles, trigonometric ratios of acute angles. Let me write the ratios order. Remember all these ratios in the order. Okay. So all these things in the order. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trigonometric ratios are there. I am going to give the ratios. So now because this is a right angle triangle, I will use this as base and this as height and this has hypotenuse. This has hypotenuse. Base is a very comfortable word. Some teachers will be using, in the textbooks also they will be using adjacent side, opposite side. If you are taking C, if you are considering C, base will become adjacent side and height will become opposite side. If you are considering A, this BC will become opposite side and AC will become adjacent side. So instead of using opposite side and adjacent side, I am using base and height, a common thing. So now first angle is sine. So sine of either A or C, not B, because sine of acute angle. So now I will write C, sine C. Okay, whatever the vertex letter is there, that. Otherwise, if you are keeping a theta here, sine theta, whatever. Okay, so sine theta is base by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse. I am sorry. Opposite side by hypotenuse. That means height by hypotenuse. So that means AB by AC. Okay. So now cos C, I will use AC. Next cos C or cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse, which is equal to BC by AC, and tan C is equal to tan theta, which is equal to, I will write here opposite side also, opposite side by hypotenuse. This is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Okay, I will write opposite side here and adjacent side here. Hypotenuse is common. So tan theta is equal to, okay, height by base or opposite side by adjacent side, which is equal to AB by BC. So three ratios are only main ratios. Okay, these three ratios. Now one, where the reciprocal of 1 will become 4. Reciprocal of 1 will become 4. English chadukuntava. So sin C reciprocal is, I will write with the white letter, cosecant C. Okay, and in the same way second reciprocal is 5, so that we call it as secant C. Okay, and third reciprocal is 6th. This is nothing but cotangent C. I am writing in simple because this is fast division. I am not using in detail. Right. So remember this order. Okay, sin, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. This order you memorize it, so that what happened, that will give you solution for so many problems in your examination. Okay, so sin, cosecant, cos, secant, tan, cot. So now no need of definitions. So you don't need to memorize the definition for these three. If you remember this order, I will write directly. So it is a hypotenuse by opposite side. I can write AB by AC is nothing but AC by AB, or hypotenuse by height, whatever. Okay, so then secant C, I can write 1 by sin C also. Remember this also. So secant C is nothing but 1 by cos C. So then it is hypotenuse by adjacent side, or AC by BC, or hypotenuse by base, whatever. Okay. In the same way, cot C is equal to, I will write 1 by tan C. Okay. So this is adjacent side by opposite side, and BC by AB, okay, or base by hypotenuse. So this is how you have to remember, memorize whatever. These definitions should be by hearted, so that you will get definitely 5 marks, 4-5 marks in the board examination paper. Okay. So now there is one more rule. This is trigonometric ratios, T ratios, trigonometric ratios. Now there is one more rule is there in right angle triangle, that is Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is nothing but hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. The square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. Square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. Hypotenuse square is equal to adjacent side square plus opposite side square. Whatever way you want to remember as per your brain's wish. Okay, this is the first part. Everybody, if you want to touch the trigonometry, this is the beginning. Okay, spend 15 minutes time by heart. Each ratio you read it 10-15 times. You will get it. It's not a big thing. Okay. Now let us go to problems based on this. I will be doing from R.D. Sharma. Okay. I am not touching textbook because textbook sums already you must have done, and I am going to do R.D. Sharma book. Okay. I will do only few problems, not many problems. Let me do very few problems. All right. So the first basic question of this concept is question number 1, and this is from R.D. Sharma, right? In triangle ABC, so ABC is the triangle, and right angle at A, and AB is equal to 12 centimeters, and AC is equal to 5 centimeters, and BC is equal to 13 centimeters. Find 6 trigonometric ratios of angle B. Okay, very specific question. Very specific question. First you draw the triangle, draw right angle triangle. I am drawing freehand. I advise you not to draw with freehand. Now right angle triangle is drawn. Right angle at A, that means you should write A at right angle, B, C. Okay. Now trigonometric ratios of angle B, that means this one. With respect to this you have to do. With respect to this is opposite side, and this is adjacent side, and this is hypotenuse side. Okay. Now put the data. AB is equal to 12 centimeters, AC is equal to 5 centimeters, and BC is equal to 13 centimeters. So the entire problem data is incorporated in a diagram. Now let us, first part is over. Now we have to find out tan. Now sin B, you should write sin B, don't write sin A, sin C, sin, because he asked trigonometric ratios of angle B. You have to be very particular. If you are writing sin C or sin theta, they won't be giving you full marks. If they have pity on you, they may give a half mark. Okay. So be careful. Sin B, opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay. And AC by BC, which is equal to, AC is how much? 13 centimeter by 5 centimeters. Actually this is wrong. This is wrong, because hypotenuse should be the longest. So here AC is the smallest. Let me see, because when I write this I got the doubt. So let me check whether I have copied the problem correctly or not. Okay. So A, B, C. AB is 12, correct. AC is 5. AC is 5. So I have written wrong here. AC is 5 centimeters and BC is 13 centimeters. So then, so this is what is called rectification of the problem. Okay. So then AC by BC, AC is 5, I will write 5, and by 13. Okay, this is sin B, first one. Second one, cos B, adjacent side by hypotenuse, adjacent side is AB by BC, and adjacent side is 12 by 13. So now next tan B is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. This is AC by AB and 5 upon 12. 5 upon 12. Now remaining trigonometric ratios, okay, 4. Sin cosecant B is equal to, you write like 1 by sin B and then 13 by 5. You take the reciprocal. Cosecant B is equal to 1 by sin B okay. So then cosecant, now secant B is equal to, right, 1 by cos B is equal to 1 by cos B. So cos B is 6, this is 13 by 12, and 6 cot B is equal to 1 by tan B, which is equal to 12 by 5. Okay. So this is what is the question. This question you may be getting for this question you are going to get for either 2 marks or 3 marks, maybe 2 marks. Okay. So this is question number 1. Let me take one more question from R.D. Sharma. Right. One more question. Question number 2 from R.D. Sharma. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, right angle at B, video is blocked. How video is blocked? Okay, now it's coming. My voice is only coming, no one is giving me help. Okay, now this is second problem of R.D. Sharma, right. I am just copying. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, and AB is equal to 4 centimeters and BC is equal to 3 centimeters. Find all 6 ratios. All 6 trigonometric ratios. There is a difference between the previous question and this question. Okay. So again let us draw a right angle triangle. I am advising you again, don't draw right angle triangle with your free hand. Use scale, pencil, draw neatly so that it will give an impression to the paper corrector, paper evaluator, so that he will have so then right angle at B, you write B here, so A, B, C. Okay. Now AB is how much? 4 centimeters and BC is equal to 3 centimeters. This we don't know, let us find out. This is square root of 4 square plus 3 square. So 16 plus 9, 25 is equal to 5. So this is 5 centimeters. Sometimes you have to apply Pythagoras theorem. Good morning. Sometimes you have to find out one side because you have to use the Pythagoras theorem. So then all the trigonometric ratios, we have all the three sides trigonometric ratios. He did not give A or C. You wish now. So, but better always take the smaller one. So sin C, okay, we can take sin C, cos C and tan C. So sin C is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, which is equal to 4 upon 5. Cos C is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, 3 upon 5. And tan C is opposite side by hypotenuse, which is equal to 4 upon 3. It is not hypotenuse, adjacent side. So then reciprocal, sin reciprocal, cosecant C is equal to 1 by sin C, which is equal to 5 upon 4. Secant C is equal to 1 by cos C, which is equal to 5 upon 3. And cot C is equal to 1 by tan C is equal to 3 upon 4. So all the 6 trigonometric ratios. You have to be patient, okay? Don't be hurry. Slow and steady wins the race, okay? Now, second question. Let me go to one more question from R.D. Sharma. Today I am doing questions from R.D. Sharma. Okay, this is a question number 3. Cos theta is equal to 8 by 17. Find all the other trigonometric ratios. That means one ratio is already given. You have to find out other 5 ratios. So in the previous he has given all the 3 sides. Now one ratio is given. So for this you have to draw a right angle triangle. Again I advise you, please don't draw with a free hand like me, okay? So here no ABC, no PQR, no XYZ, nothing. Where is the? So it is our wish. So let me draw ABC only, and this is 90 degrees. Let me put theta here because theta is used. So that theta you have to put at an acute angle, either A or C, anywhere. But I will put usually at the base angle, okay? So then what happened? This will become opposite side, and this will become adjacent side, and this will become hypotenuse, right? So then cos theta definition is adjacent side by hypotenuse is equal to 8 by 17. So now adjacent side is 8 units. I will write 8 units. Some people will say 8K, okay? And hypotenuse is 17 units. K is the unit. Now we don't know this. So this is we have to find out here. Hypotenuse square minus adjacent side square. So then how much? 17 square minus 8 square. So 218, 9 minus 64, which is equal to 225 is equal to 15. So this is 15 units. In the place of K, I have written units. Both are same. Either you do like this, or if you want to do K, you do K. So now I have got all the three sides, 1, 2, 3 sides we have got, so I can do anything in the trigonometry. So now cos theta is here, I should find out sin theta, tan theta, okay, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta. 5 ratios, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 ratios. So sin theta, opposite side by hypotenuse, opposite side is 15, hypotenuse is 17. Okay. Tan theta, opposite side by adjacent side, opposite side is 15, adjacent side is 8. Now cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, which is equal to 17 by 15. Secant theta, 1 by cos theta, which is equal to 8 by 17, so 17 by 8. So cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta, tan theta reciprocal, 8 by 15. This is a question. Good morning, Samarpan. You are late. So this is question number 3 from R.D. Sharma. Okay. Now basic questions are done. I will just go a little bit advanced stage, right? So like this, so many questions will be there. I will give you one more question. This is question number 4. Question number 4. Fourth question. Cosecant A is equal to 2. Find the value of 1 by tan A plus sin A by 1 plus cos A. Okay, here I did not write, again I will only get confused, cos A. So this is one more advanced problem. Okay, one more advanced problem. This question is also very important. You may be getting this question for 3 marks. So be careful. Now same procedure, same thing. You draw one triangle. Again I will advise you, don't draw right triangle with your free hand. Okay. So this is A and B, C. Because A is asked, cosecant A, that A should not be a right angle, right angle. So I have kept here and this one. So this is opposite side and this is adjacent side and this is hypotenuse. So then what is this? It is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side, 2 by 1. There is no denominator, 2 by 1. 2 units and 1 units. Hypotenuse is 2 units and opposite side is 1 unit. Now you have to find out this, square root of h square minus opposite side square. So h square is 2 square minus 1 square, 4 minus 1, root 3. So this is root 3. Now all the 3 sides have come. Now you can do wonders. Now we want to find out this entire value, not all the ratios, tan A, sin A, cos A, these 3. So only those 3 values you have to find out. Let me start from sin A. Sin A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Sin A opposite side is 1, hypotenuse is 2. Tan A is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, 1 by root 3. And cos A, adjacent side by hypotenuse. So adjacent side by hypotenuse is nothing but root 3 by 2. Now I got all the 3 values. Now I should substitute in this value. Okay, let me write directly here 1 by tan A 1 by root 3 plus, first write the divided by sin A 1 by 2 1 plus cos A root 3 by 2. Legibility is more important, right? If you are legible, you will get definitely answers properly. So this what happened, this will become reciprocal. This particular part is over root 3 by 1. Okay. Now this particular part you write 1 by 2 like this. Down you have to simplify this. So it is equal to 2 plus root 3 by 2. Now in both the cases denominators are same, we can cancel it. So then what happens, this is root 3 by 1 plus, here numerator is 1 and denominator is 2 plus root 3. This is the final answer, but you can simplify further. So this you can rationalize it. You have learned in 9th class. This you can rationalize it. So then what happened, this is already same. So then what happened, 2 minus root 3 by a square minus b square. So then how much, root 3 plus 2 minus root 3 is equal to 1, this one waste. So answer is 2. So here this rationalization process also very important in trigonometry. You should know what is rationalization. Rationalization of a monomial, rationalization of a binomial. These two things you have to learn. Okay. So learn from previously or somewhere wherever you wanted to learn. Right. This is a 4th question. This is a 3 marks question. Very important. Right. Same way it will be there. I will do little bigger problem on this concept. Okay. From R.D. Sharma. Today I am using R.D. Sharma, and let me take one more question. Question number 5. 16 cot A is equal to 12. Find sin A plus cos A by sin A minus cos A. Okay. So this is how. Now cot A, you write this cot A, and which is equal to 12 by 16. Okay. Now I will apply directly without using the triangle. You can draw the triangle here. I will draw the triangle. This is A, B and C. Adjacent side by this is 12 and this is 16. So 144 plus 256 under root, which is equal to 420. So hypotenuse is 20. Now sin A is how much? Because only sin A cos A is there. Sin A is equal to 16 by 20 and cos A is equal to 12 by 20. 16 by 20 I will write in simplest form 4 by 5. This is 3 by 5. Okay. Now I will substitute, because it is a very big, if you are having a problem of how to write, So you take numerator separately. Numerator, that means sin A plus cos A. So sin A plus cos A, 4 by 5 plus 3 by 5, which is equal to 7 by 5. Now denominator you take separately. Sin A minus cos A. Sin A is 4 by 5, 3 by 5. So which is equal to 1 by 5. Therefore, how much is this? Numerator I got 7 upon 5 by 1 upon 5. So which is equal to 7 upon 5 into 5 upon 1. 5 cancel, it is equal to 7. If you are having a strategy to do the problem, you can easily do it. Okay. So this is how the questions on the first concept have come, right? So in this same type of problems will go on, right? Will go on, and answer is so. Some more difficult questions are there. I don't need to focus on this. So tomorrow we are going to have next concept of trigonometry, right? So now I will be sitting for some time. I will be sitting for some time, and if you are having any doubt, you can always ask me. So trigonometry looks like an easy chapter. Okay. So if you are having any doubt in the first exercise of NCERT, please put them in the comment box, exercise number and question number. So I will be explaining, whoever is there online. If you are having any question in the first exercise, you take out NCERT book, take out NCERT book, okay, and first exercise I have done, you just see, and if you are having any doubt from first exercise, I am going to explain. Otherwise, I will pack up. Sharukesh, hi, I am there still online. If you are having any doubt, please put me in the comment box so that I can help you. Hey, Sharukesh, I have started, I have completed. I have completed my lesson. I am just waiting if anybody wants any doubt, so I am waiting. Okay, so thank you. Have a nice day. I think no one is having any doubt. Tomorrow we will see, we will find out. Okay, we will find out, and we will have the next concept of the trigonometry, and also we are going to do some board exam papers. Bye bye.